Good afternoon. My name is Nicole Harris, and this is my final CS50 Intro to Computer Science project called Soothsayer Prediction Registry. The purpose of this application is it's really just a place where anybody can enter a prediction, and then their accuracy is tracked against their soothsayer profile. A user can have more than one soothsayer under their user profile account. And let's see, this page is the home page, and it offers a number of functions even if you're not logged in, which right now I'm not logged in yet. It highlights some of the top predictions which have gotten attention in the form of a lot of clicks for detail or upvotes. And also below that is one of the leaderboards, and this is based on the popularity of the soothsayer, which is to say all of the predictions of this soothsayer profile had the most clicks. And more leaderboards, which I'll show you in a minute. You can also look at any predictions that were predicted for these date ranges and just a general fire hose of all predictions. You can click from any page in this site on these social media sites, and it will bring over the URL of the page that you're on. You can also click and look at any predictions within these specific categories. When a prediction is created, the category is optional. The confidence percentage is optional. The links to other sites for more information is optional. And I'll show you that in a minute as soon as we log in. But for right now, I wanted to show you also uh, privacy policy, community guidelines, and the README file are available visibly within the app also. If you go to leaderboards, the types of leaderboards that I have chosen to show in the app are the same thing that we saw before: the most popular soothsayers, the top 10, most accurate soothsayers, top 10, most popular predictions, and that goes up to 100. You can click on any of these to see the full details about the prediction, including the soothsayer that created it. And you can also give feedback about any prediction. For instance, maybe I want to say this is false, and here's the article. Um, and the feedback does not automatically appear, but it is submitted into a table which can be reviewed by the moderator. I'll go through a bunch of features that I'm hoping to launch in the future if this app takes off, different product iterations in the future. But for now, I thought this was good enough for initial launch and also for this project. I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's see. If I look at a soothsayer, I can see details about the soothsayer and also all of the predictions. The confidence level is something that's entered by them. The links to other websites or news sources is entered by them when they create the prediction. And I guess having said that, let's go ahead and log in. Okay, now you can see that the profile link for the soothsayer appears, as well as the ability to submit a prediction. I'll just show the profile real quick. So these are personal details about my account. I can modify any of them, change the password, and I can even delete my user account. These are all the different soothsayer handles that I've created that are linked to my account. If I delete my account, these don't disappear, and the predictions for each of these don't disappear, but they get linked to a generic user instead. But this can be deleted by the user at any point and will be gone out of the application, no longer stored in the table. So let's see what else can I show you about that? Okay, so let's say we're going to go ahead and do a new prediction. I can either add a new soothsayer and define that, or I can select one that I've used before. And I will go ahead and select one that I've used before because I have something prepared to show you. This is a short version of the text, which is going to appear if the prediction gets selected as a popular one, you know, to be highlighted, I mean, and the which one gets selected. Um, Sorry, I can't do two things at once apparently. Which one gets selected is based on the clicks, etc. when someone goes to the home page. That's what really triggers all of the calculations, the accuracy scores, and all of that. So this article is, I think I've deleted the article, which is silly. I'm just going to make something up as far as the URL because I didn't keep that for some reason. This little drop down is really nice, and I credited it in my README file, something that I reused, and it allows type ahead for the country. And I also took a list of countries from a GitHub repo. So those two things are credited. And oh, it's not a good one. Okay, that worked. So now if I go back to Quantum Run, that crazy one is now created. Let's see what else. I want to mention that I planned out my project using Trello. I listed all the features that I wanted to include, and then when I was working on something, I put it to the doing column, and when I finished it, I moved it to the done. This is a list of possible features I might add in the future on this app. I think I'm really going to give it a try to put it out there. One of the things I might do is add advertising and see if it actually becomes a money generating app, which would be interesting. Uh, Here is my database. So I've got a number of tables. This is the list of users. This is the Soothsayer profiles, which are separate from users but linked together, and also the list of predictions. This is the feedback that people can submit, which could be in general on the app or on per a prediction. And I am going to be manually updating the status as things are worked on for now, but that might be automated in the future. The categories, I put in a table to drive the categories for each, uh, prediction type that could appear both on the HTML page as a hyperlink as well as, when someone creates a prediction. I think that's really all I can think of to show you. I hope I haven't forgotten anything key, and I hope you enjoy the app. I really learned a lot, and I just want to thank everybody in the Harvard CS50 program for this wonderful program that you offer to the world. And I'm going to plan on keep going and continuing to learn. Even though AI is so advanced, it really could probably build a lot of apps right now. I think that there's a lot of value in understanding how to work with the AI and how to get your vision of a product to get built and provide feedback and make choices in the app. So it's been a great experience, and thank you everyone.